Is your Spectrum TV app freezing or crashing on your Apple TV? Force quitting is the quickest way to resolve this. As of October 2025, while the Spectrum TV app version 10.5.2 has improved stability, occasional freezes still happen. Double-click the TV Home button on your Siri remote. This brings up the app switcher. Find the Spectrum TV app in the switcher. Swipe up on the touch surface to force quit it. Alternatively, hold the TV button for 5 seconds to bring up the power menu, select the app, and force quit. This immediately clears the app's memory and restarts it, often resolving the issue. This is the first and best solution. If force quitting is a frequent solution, consider these additional steps for long-term fixes. First, ensure your Apple TV is running the latest tvOS version for improved stability. Check for app updates in the App Store. Newer versions often include important bug fixes that resolve crashing issues. A stable internet connection is crucial for streaming. Ensure your speeds are above 25 Mbps to prevent buffering and crashes. Clear the app's cache through Settings. Navigate to Apps, select Spectrum TV, and choose Clear Data to remove corrupted files. If issues continue, try restarting your Apple TV or performing a factory reset to restore it to original settings. Older Apple TV models may not handle newer app versions well. Consider a hardware upgrade for optimal performance. Combining force quitting with these proactive maintenance steps will provide a much smoother viewing experience overall.